that we don't want in another bowl. So we're gonna see who can have the most fidgets.
Yes, so the one with the most fidgets gets to keep all the fidgets.
Wait, really? Even like the opponents? Or no?
Yes, so if you get the most fidgets, you get Allie's fidget as well. And if Allie gets all the fidgets, then you have to give her your fidgets.
I don't want to. Well, we do share, so we should get some of hers. No, sorry.
She's not gonna share with you, she said. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what our first one is.
I'm so
So
scared.
they have the chance to either switch or keep. So I had the girls turn around and I placed a fidget on one and the bad item on the other.
Wait, so you're saying there's like a bad one in mine?
I'm not saying whose, but you guys have the option to either switch or keep. So who goes first?
Me.
You go first? Okay, so you can't touch it. Only I get to switch them, okay?
But can we smell it?
You can smell it, but you can't touch. Okay? Or shake. Okay, Allie. What are you gonna do? Keep or switch?
Shit.
Switch?
Oh no, I have a bad item. Nervous.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! I got a dimple. Yeah, I think it was a dimple. I love these. Okay, yeah. Oh, she got a
She got a hair.
scrunchie.
Yeah, she got a hair tie.
Hey, are these brains on it?
Looks like it, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. Let's see how it sounds.
Ooh. I like the feeling of it. All right. And both sides, they both pop good.
Okay, let's go for the next one.
Okay. Right, I pick. I want to keep it.
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No!
Allie got the fidget.
Then that
Ooh,
one.
so satisfying.
No, give me one of them.
And then Jazzy got the toothbrush.
Let's brush my teeth. Done. I just did this.
Oh, you can also do that.
And you make a tiny one too.
A tiny one so it could fit you.
Yeah. I'll make it.
Wow.
And you guys, you can also put them together. Nice necklace. Can I have it? No. Wait, guys, does it mean it counts like 2?
So that means you got 2 fidgets.
Yeah. What?
So she's on the lead.
I just got 1 fidget.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, now Ellie's turn. Switch or keep?
Keep.
Keep? Okay.
Okay. I think it's gonna be a bad one. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. What in the world are those? Never seen those. I only see the small ones, but not the huge ones. But you guys have a mess. You can keep them in mine. But you still have to take care of yourself.
And then Allie has hers. Those squishies.
Oh, you guys, there's a chick, a great pig, and a bunny, and a tiger. Sorry, little tiger. Maybe it's a rabbit or a bunny, but I think it's a bunny.
Now Jazzy's turn.
Okay, I don't know. I want to switch, and then I want to keep. Keep. All right, I pick keep. I said keep. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! I need that brush.
You got a brush.
It has a llama on it. Look at a llama.
And then what did you get, Jazzy?
I don't know what this is called, but I know it's a fidget. It's so satisfying. Can we feed it? Yes. But now you have to share with me because I let you share with the next one.
Okay, let me see it.
Well, maybe the next one if you win.
Oh, wow. This is satisfying.
I think it lights up, maybe.
Does it? Oh, it does.
Cool. This is so satisfying, you guys. It looks like they have Orbeez inside.
So an orbit ball?
Yeah, maybe an Orbeez ball.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Allie's turn, so what do you want, Allie? A switch. I just said switch too.
Okay, wait, let me switch it.
Oh yeah, yeah, switch it out, man. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I have another fidget. I have 2. Wait, you guys, I have 2.
Ooh, yay, 2.
Well, you're a little baby today.
These are links, right?
Huh?
Links?
Yeah. They make little cracking noises. Now to eat it. You guys see that? Oh, and you guys can make any shape with it, like maybe like a star. I don't think I can make a star. Maybe not.
She got 2.
Maybe my
And
star.
then Allie has a pacifier.
Let's try this.
Let's see you with the pacifier.
No, I didn't. Try it, Allie. It is clean. Let's see you as a baby. Go, Allie, go. That's not how you do it. Like this? Wait, I suck it. It reminds me of baby boss.
These are so cool. And so satisfying.
You're not gonna keep it. But star wasn't that good. It was like, I think it was like this, maybe? I think it was like that. What is she doing?
A heart, maybe?
A heart. Oh! Alright. I'm really sure that I'm gonna win the next round, Allie. No.
She said she's gonna win the next round.
Yeah. Oh, no way, Jose kid.
You are Jazzy.
Me. Because like.
Because you have these. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Because this one doesn't count. So 6, right?
Yeah.
And you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to get 2 more to be tied with Allie.
Okay, my turn. So for this one, I pick. I don't know.
Switch or keep?
Keep. Alright, I really hope. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh, Jazzy, you got a hand sanitizer. More things for COVID.
Yeah, for COVID.
You have your mask and your hand sanitizer. And then look at Allie. Let's see Allie here. Fidget. Oh, wow. It has different stuff.
It's like little sections. It looks like a light.
You turn on and off the light. Wow.
It's nothing on. Oh, yeah, you can also feel there. Yeah, because it's really smooth, and I like that one. But that one's my most favorite. That one looks so cool. Alright, Allie, it's your turn. Do you want to switch or keep? Keep. Alright. Okay, I think now this one, I think it's going to be a good one for me. Alright, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. What is this? Is this the order, right?
Yes.
48
Allie,
hours.
she got her fidget. It's a spinner. Wow.
That looks so cool. No, mine. She doesn't want to show me. You want to show if they order it? Man, you're too small. No. You don't want to show me then, okay. Okay, this is a fidget spinner and it has a dimple. Simple dimple. Oh, it makes a loud noise. Give me it. No. Did you just hear that? No. Did you just say N-O? No?
So now Allie's still winning. Let's go to the next one. Okay, now Jazzy's turn. What are you gonna do, Jazzy? You have to think about this good. What are you gonna do?
Keep.
Keep? Yes. Okay, let's see.
1, 2, 3. Yes! I got a new fidget. Whoa!
What is it? Let's see.
Are these magnets?
What does it say right there?
Let's see. They say Swingos. Swingos.
Wow.
Look at Allie.
And then Allie got
toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Well, you better clean yourself.
Let's see. No. Show yours.
Alright, it's like kind of like a magnet. But you can't take it apart. But it's like a magnet. You can also put it back like this. That's okay. And also you can also roll it around. No, because you don't want to share with me.
Okay, that looks satisfying.
It's so satisfying.
Allie's turn.
Keep.
Keep? Okay.
That's it.
You already said keep, so let's stick with keep.
Okay. To that side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes! Another fidget!
You got a jalapeno.
That's right.
That's slime with, what is it? Pom-poms?
Hey, what are you touching? I don't know.
Like little balls? Ooh.
But this is clear slime. Oh, I can see you guys. Make a bubble. Alright, let's see. Alright. That wasn't good.
Is it satisfying?
It's satisfying. That's why it's a fidget.
And then Allie, don't think we forgot about your jalapeno, Allie.
Give me this. Oh wait, what do you think you have to do with your... How to get this out? You know what that is, kid? No, don't take it out. What's it take it out? Okay, this... I did it. She's crazy about the slime. I got it. My slime! Take a video right! Oh! Bite it. Alright, if you bite it, I'll let you play with my slime. I got waddle. Oh, she got the juice. Nope. You didn't bite it. It's still there. Look at that bite. Bite the Ellie.
Okay, now for our last one.
Our last? No, I got it.
It's your turn, Jazzy. So, last round. Think wisely.
Oh. Switch. Yes.
Okay. So I
want to win.
You think it's a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay then.
1, 2, 3. Yes! Another fidget!
You got a diaper.
I want this. I got it a banana. You can stretch it. Very good, Jazzy. Alright. Not too hard. I won't break it right now. Alright, this. Your banana got big now. Can you put it?
Is it soft?
It's soft. And it gets this. I thought it was actually a real banana. This is a tummy. This is a head.
So Jazzy won this round.
Woo!
Now to check who is the winner. Okay, so how many do you have, Jazzy?
All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. And then how many do you have, Allie?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No!
Oh my gosh, you won you by 1.
Uh,
And I actually think that Jazzy got like the best ones. And then Allie has these.
all that Allie wants is a slime. Yeah, I want a slime, actually.
Uh-oh, Jazzy. You're gonna have to give her yours. No, this is part of the deal, right?
Yes. Now, play this slime.
Oh, wow. That's what she wanted, how she wanted the slime.
Give me the pinky. The pinky.
The piggy?
No, the pinky.
Oh, the binky. Oh, okay. Jazzy wants to cry, so let's give her the binky.
I put that on my mouth. You want it now?
Well then, Allie's the fidget winner.
Wait, you guys. I have a question. Which one is your favorite? Ellie, you farted? You farted?
It was the slime?
I think.
Okay, so which one was your favorite, Jazzy?
My favorite, I will say, the banana.
Banana, yeah, she's been wanting the banana.
No, come on now.
What about you, Allie? Which one's your favorite?
I got time.
The slime, of course.
Of course. And my sisters.
And they're squishies.
And Jazzy.
Okay, so everything's her favorite.
Everything.
I think this one's so cool.
Oh, I love that too. She's like, Mommy, give me it too. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and press the subscribe button. See you guys on the next video. Bye. I lost. I did. What the beep? I put on my mom.